All right, what's up, y'all? Hold on a second. Set up. Cool. So we're gonna go through the updates for this week, midweek updates. We had a crazy, phenomenal week this week so far, man. I know on these sessions I only drop y'all, just a few trades here and there, two to three, Sunday, throughout Wednesday, but the actual students, they get a lot more trades. They get walked through on every trade that I take. So this week we had a insane week just from breaking down trades with the students, all of us taking them together to me putting out charts for not only the students but the public. So, for example, um, via YouTube, I dropped you guys the DXY, EU, and USDCHF. But if you guys are also in the free Telegram chat room, which the link is down below, then you would have got more trades as well. So I dropped a few trades in there. We had AU, so we took a loss on AU this week. We closed it kind of partial loss. We saw it coming, so we went ahead and closed it out early. Then right after that, when I dropped a CHF JPY, which went crazy. So we were all able to take that one as well. So after the AU hit stop loss, I dropped y'all the CHF JPY recovery trade to make y'all's money back on that one and some. And then every other chart has just been going nuts. So I'm gonna go through updates of pretty much everything that we've been going through this week. I'm gonna show y'all the proof as always. And then we are going to pretty much wrap up today's session. So DXY, beginning of the week, we were looking for price action to either come into this zone and then retrace towards the downside or go up, maybe sweep this level, drop, or go up ultimately to take the high and then drop. So regardless, we're looking for a downside move, right? We're looking for the DXY to start breaking down. Now, it can get complex, as it wants to start breaking down, things can get a little bit more difficult, um, especially with the structure that we have now. I personally didn't want to see it break above this high, but at the same time, it can. We might also are building a bullish structure as well. So if it does not start to break down, then it'll end up going up like this. I'm not really going to be looking for that necessarily this week. I'll probably look at it next week and then kind of reevaluate price action to see where everything is. So for now, for me, I'm just kind of watching the DXY to see how it's going to break down. So I know it's going down. So if I were y'all, I would just be on a bearish overall vision. Of course, it can go up and then that provides opportunities for the opposite direction as well. But mainly, y'all want to be bearish on the DXY. So um, for now, I'll just continue to watch it kind of in the background, see what it does. Again, it can very much so go up, still take this high, or even go all the way up to take the other high. So what I don't want to do is get too caught into these trades, and then it does that, especially if it goes up and sweeps the high. So if it does, at any point, once it does go up, if it does go up, we're just going to be taking all of these trades at more premium, better entries. So that's y'all's DXY. So let me give y'all an update on USDCHF because this one's kind of similar to DXY. And we're like barely still in this trade, literally barely still in it, but we're surviving. So USDCHF, what I was expecting was a correction up and then a continuation down. We've given a little bit deeper of a correction. Now, if this does wick us out without going up and taking the high and then dropping, it's going to kind of be my fault on this one, just because the stop loss should go above this high based on our strategy. And I kind of shorted it just because I didn't think it was going to go that deep towards the upside, which I think I told y'all this previously already. So if it does take us out, that's fine. If the DXY does go up to take that high that we were just speaking about, that would lead us to take us out. And then what we're going to do is just resell it back above the high once it goes and breaks this high, if it does want to do that. So regardless, we are going to be hawking the sell towards the downside on the USDCHF. We just have to continue to watch it and wait to see if it's going to break down now from where we are or if it's going to go up and sweep the high. So currently, we're still active in the trade, about 70%, I would say, in drawdown. So we'll see how it turns out. So that's USDCHF, and then we had Euro USD. So Euro USD, what I was looking for this week was either a push up. Again, we have two options, right? So if the DXY was going to take that low, then you would see I'm sorry, take the high, then you would see Euro USD go down and take that low, right? So that's that secondary DXY option, right? If the DXY is to just make that correction that I just showed y'all, right? Which was here and then drop from here. That was the scenario where you would see Euro USD go down to this area. Literally, it went right to the area, y'all, and then go up. So as of right now, we did completely annihilate this zone on the break back through. It has all of the signs to be ready to continue towards the upside. I would not be surprised if Euro USD just continues to push up and then the DXY continues to drop. That would be in our favor and help USDCHF to go ahead and melt and so on. So as of right now, again, there's no trade personally on Euro USD just because I didn't get the cleanest setup that I would like. If y'all did buy from this zone, then cheers. But I'm going to be waiting for most likely next week for my strategy. So I have to have my strategy on these trades as of right now, because we're going through pretty much me and the students are going through a period of testing over the next 60 days, which we have about mm, maybe like 42 days left of testing. We've just been trying out different things on our strategy and just kind of seeing where it goes. So that is pretty much y'all's update of everything that I've dropped y'all from Sunday. Now what I am going to do is go through um, some of the trades that I dropped in the free um, Telegram chat room, which again, the link is down below. So this is the Telegram chat room. So one of the recent trades that I just literally dropped is CAD CHF, which we'll go through that as well. I mean, I've shown multiple trades in here. So here's that Euro JPY. I'm sorry, not Euro JPY, CHF JPY. So let me scroll up to show y'all where it is. So this is GBP odd, which is a student trade that I gave out for the students, which is currently here right now. We got a little pullback and we are continuing up. So this is one of the students trade that we're active in right now, looking lovely, man. We are risk-free on this one as well. So that's one. CHF, CAT CHF made that initial drop. It actually dropped all the way down here and then pulled back. So what I did was I gave it out again as a free trade in the public chat room. So again, the link is down below in the chat room. Um, it's nothing but money in this chat room, literally. So as y'all can see, so this is the CHF. I said sell CAD CHF with us now. And literally an hour or two later, it started to melting and then like, literally melting, right? So free trades literally live being dropped in the chat room. No fake, no fake trades, y'all, no gimmicks, like everything legit, like where else? What else did I drop? So we gave out an odd CHF, which finished up. Um, Told y'all to close that out. So this was the original CHF JPY before it took off. So this is a trade I was just telling y'all about that I gave out as well. We actually closed out literally right here. And I put a notification in the chat room that I am closing out of CHF JPY somewhere in here. Close and TP on CHF JPY. So again, if y'all are not in the chat room, y'all are missing out on even more trades. Just tons of quality being dropped in the chat room. This was the odd USD that we did take a loss on. It literally started to break down and then went back up on us. What else? So I also dropped out updates as far as fundamentals, things that I look at fundamental wise. So this is someone that I follow fundamentally on YouTube. Really, really good guy for fundamentals. So just all kinds of good stuff in the chat room. The mentor students, they have another trade that I just dropped for them last night. We actually broke this one down together, which is NZD CAD. So we're actually in profit on this one as well. So this is a new trade that I just pushed out for the team, which is blue. So we got a lot of good trades, man. We literally pushed out over 1,600 pips this week. It was an insane week. Half of them came from the JPYs. So literally, Euro JPY, 360 pips. GJ, it was an insane week, y'all. 400 plus pips on GJ. It just hit target two. Euro JPY, it's not even at target two yet. So Euro JPY still has another 188 pips to go. I mean, just those two alone, you're at like 700 pips. GU was another trade that I pushed out. I mean, insane week. So I also do live streams throughout the week as well. So I dropped the link to the Zoom live streams in the community chat room. So again, if you're not in the free chat room, the link is down below. Make sure you're in the chat room because I also drop live streams very frequently throughout the week where I also share trades with y'all as well. So the live stream yesterday is when I actually dropped GBP odd and CAD So anybody who joined the live stream literally yesterday would have been able to make money on GBP odd and CAD. So no excuses, y'all. And it's all, I've been helping y'all out, like dropping this stuff for free. You know what I'm saying? Just giving y'all literally free money, just trying to help y'all build y'all's accounts and just make as much money as possible. So GU was another trade that turned out beautiful, man. Um, Smack to the zone and then push up. This was a student trade that we broke down. Um, and then that's pretty much it. We had CHF JPY, which is another one that literally pushed up. We closed out right here, so around 200 pips. What else was another one? CAD JPY was another one. JPY has literally just blessed us. This was our secondary structure, which finally hit TP2, which I literally got to let the team know now because I'm just now seeing that. So everything is literally live as we are here. So this one's now completely done. Um, boom. So just insane, insane. Insane week, y'all. Another 240 plus pips. Just the JPYs alone, we're at like what 1100 pips or so. And then we have all these other pairs that we broke down. Um, I can't even keep up with them all, to be honest with y'all. We even started off the week with some of them gapping down and missing. We started off the week with missing half of the trades. This was just a very insane week. Like we killed this week. It was just wild, y'all. Just wild. Um, so I think that's all I got for y'all right now as far as updates, trades. Again, make sure y'all are subscribed to our YouTube so y'all don't miss out on any future content that I do drop for y'all. Literally, it's free money and solid money. We've been consistently killing the market week after week after week after week after week. So don't miss out on this free money, y'all. Make sure y'all like all of the videos. It's very much appreciated and drop a comment down below. Just doesn't matter what you drop, just drop something for me. Appreciate it. I drop these videos for y'all. So the only thing I ask is that y'all like the videos and drop comments for me. Appreciate y'all. Other than that, y'all have a great rest of y'all's day. If y'all are interested in the mentoring package, our website information is down below. And then you guys can, view more information there. I do not offer signals like a monthly signal service. That's not really what I'm into. I focus more so on education. And so like my dog is literally getting on my nose right now. Um, so I focus on like education primarily. And then for my students in the mentoring chat room, they do get access to all of my personal trades. So I do share all of my personal trades with my students. When I enter a trade, I tell them when I enter a trade. When I exit a trade on my account, I tell them when I exit a trade. So I completely walk them through all of my personal trades, as well as they have the education and all the tools that they need to be successful on their own. So I prefer to focus on the education portion of things and then kind of help y'all as y'all kind of learn and like really earn. So like this is like a real like my program is like a real earn and learn like program like for real. Like half of the people they have this learn but there's no earn, right? So this is like a real learn and earn program. So I want to mainly focus on education for y'all and actually teach y'all how to fish and not just give y'all fish because I've been trading for like 19 years. So I'm telling you right now, like within the next like 2, 3 years is like when I'll probably take a very big step back from like the public scene and just like focusing on, I don't know, living my life. I've already been opening up more other businesses and just doing that. So been taking the money from the market and just like spreading it out in different areas. And so I'm already kind of shifting. So get the education while you can. I might even stop offering the course, to be honest with y'all, in the next few months, just because the strategy is so insane that I don't know. I just kind of, I feel like I need to probably gatekeep this so in some kind of way. So I don't know, but yeah. So that I'm gonna really be thinking about that in like the next by July, June, July. I'm gonna really be thinking about closing off the mentoring program. Like this is not even like a joke or anything. Like I'm gonna really think about that. Just because I don't know. I just don't want I just don't, I don't know. If the strategy gets out there too much, that's fine, right? But it needs to be like fully tied to my name. So I just don't want like my strategy, like again, 19 years of hard work to just go all over and then I not get like it's not tied back to me. So it just needs to be tied back to me. But I don't want it to be blowing up like crazy because this is literally nobody's consistent like this, or at least a strategy that's consistent like this, week after week after week after week after month after month after month. Like no. So with that being said, um, I don't know. So even right now, where we're doing the flip challenge, we're doubling accounts already. Like it's already going crazy. So I have to limit the amount of people that I allow to join the free flip challenge because it's going to become a problem with my broker if I'm running, 50 people turning $200 into 5, 6 figures with our strategy. It's gonna become a problem. So I just don't. I gotta cut that off. So I'm gonna have to cut off a lot of stuff. I know I'm just kind of like going off topic right now, but that's me saying all this to tell y'all to like y'all need to take the opportunities that y'all have in front of y'all. Like y'all really need to take advantage of them while they're like around. So other than that, man, y'all have a great rest of y'all's week. I will catch y'all on Saturday, Sunday, whenever I drop the weekend video for y'all, on next week's potential trade opportunities. Again, make sure y'all join the chat room. The link is down below in the description, and I will catch y'all on the next stream.